If you're looking for an easy way to install LED lighting, Syndeo simplifies this using a plug-and-play system. Syndeo is a modular system that allows you to connect drivers, lighting components, sensors and accessories all through plug-and-play connections. Starting with your driver, this is what provides power to your whole system. Then connect your lighting components into the driver. This can include LED tape, spotlights, neon, and LED light bars, all of which use the same connection system so it can all plug back to the same driver. That means you can run different lighting types together all in one system without having to change any of the installation methods. If you want control over your lighting, look at our sensories and accessories, as these give you specific control methods over your lighting circuit. Simply take your accessory, plug it into the dedicated accessory port using the plug-and-play connector, and now this gives you specific control over that lighting component. Our Syndeo range also includes cable extensions, splitters, and other accessories you may need to help adapt the system to your setup. So in just a few steps, you've got a full system up and running. One setup, multiple components, and minimal wiring throughout. Explore the full Syndeo range so you can see how it will speed up your install.